In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable exporting IPTC metadata by default on GIMP. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab at the top, and then go down and select where it says Preferences. And then on the left panel, select Image, Import, and Export. And then on the right side, you want to go underneath Export Policies where it says Export IPTC Metadata by default when available. Either check mark or uncheck that depending on your preference. Select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.